New construction available for immediate occupancy. The Oxford floor plan offers 1,859 square feet. And features a 2-car garage, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, plus a den/optional 3rd bedroom, a large great room, formal dining room, kitchen with high-end finishes, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom features 2 walk-in closets, and a master bath with dual vanities and a spacious tiled shower. Enjoy the relaxing lake view while drinking your coffee early in morning or afternoon cocktails. The new 45,000 square feet clubhouse in Valencia Bonita's 55+ community is absolutely breathtaking, sophisticated, and a wonderful place to socialize, relax, and enjoy the amenities being offered. There's something for everyone's taste, from a wonderful spa center, to wine tasting events, to arts and crafts, which includes a state-of-the-art kiln.